Well, hello there. It's your girl, Brown Girl Bella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. But before we begin with these 40 questions, non-beauty related, that I'm about to do, hold please while I put on some lip gloss. Okay, that's better. This is the new Tatcha Denona Lipophoria in the shade Caramel. Okay, let's get into these 40 questions, non-beauty related, that I was sent. Okay, that's much better. In the viewfinder, it looked like I didn't have any clothes on, and we can't have that. I was sent these 40 questions and was tagged by 2 different people, so I want to make sure I shout them both out. They are April, WYD, or April, what you doing? And D.O.D. So, without further delay, let's get into these 40 questions, non-beauty related. Do they know me or nah? Anyway, we're gonna get to these 40 questions. I'm gonna answer them, and then at the end of the video, I will do some tags for some beauty creators I know who need to have a little fun and step out of the beauty realm for just a moment to have some fun and play some 40 questions. So, first question, do you like blue cheese? I had to think about this one because I started to say no, I don't like blue cheese, but then I remembered in this great salad that I love from Longhorn Steakhouse, they have this 7-pepper steak salad that I absolutely adore. And crumbled onto it is actually blue cheese. So the answer is yes, I do like blue cheese in that salad only. Next question, Coke or Pepsi? I'm a Pepsi girl. My mother used to send me to the store and get her Pepsi all the time. So I always said, when I grow up, I'm gonna drink me some Pepsi. And I did for a long time, but now I don't drink soda anymore. If I'm not drinking a vino, then I'm having straight H2O. No soda, no fruit juices, just water or some vino. Question number 3, tequila, whiskey, or vodka? Ooh, tough choice because I love all 3, but you know, I'm a Jack girl. Jack, Jim, or Johnny. Those are my guys and I'm sticking to them. So I'm going to go with whiskey for this one. Number 4, am I in a relationship? Heck yeah, I am. Shout out to you, my king. Number 5, hot dogs or cheeseburgers? I like a cheeseburger, so I'm gonna say cheeseburger. I can do a hot dog every now and then, but cheeseburgers are my jam. Favorite food is lobster. I love lobster anything. I can eat a lobster grilled cheese, and I have, and I love it. Okay? Okay. What do you drink in the morning? What do I drink in the morning? Coffee. Must have a cup of coffee in the morning. Can I do 100 push-ups in a day? I've never done 100 push-ups in a day, but never say never. I'ma say I can do it until I can't. Fake it until you make it sometimes. Gotta go for it. Number 9. Number 9 is my favorite season. My favorite season is the fall. I was born in the fall season. Fall season beauty is always banging. Fall season fashion is always banging. So I have to say fall. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's just perfect. So that's my favorite season. Favorite hobby. Does shopping for makeup count? If not, then I do like, if not, then my other favorite hobby is doing my nails. I just discovered these press-on nails, and now I'm getting quite good at popping these little bad boys on. See what you do when you're forced to stay indoors? You look for new hobbies, and that's a new one for me, nail care. Ow. Number 11, do you have tats? I do not have tattoos. I have been subscribed to the notion that my body, my face is like a Bentley. I don't want to put any bumper stickers on my Bentley truck, so no. Besides which, I have enough markings on my body naturally, scars and whatnot, that I don't need to add anything else to the mix. So no to tattoos. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I do. I do wear glasses. Let me share with you my glasses. Let me give you a little sexy nerdy Barbie. Who says guys don't make passes at girls who wear glasses? Not me. Okay, my phobia. I am definitely afraid of snakes, to the point where I don't want to look at them. I don't want to see it on TV. I don't want to see it in a book. I don't want to see it pop up on my screen. I don't want to see it at all. Yeah, snakes and rodents. No bueno. Okay, nicknames. Growing up, I was the youngest cousin on both sides of the family, so they really kind of like sunned me. So I was always Shasha to them, little Shasha, whatever. So that was my nickname for my cousins. From my father, he used to call me Princess. From my grandparents, they used to call me Angel, because again, I was the youngest, so I was, you know, the angelic one. So I was Angel from them. And then I think my man calls me Angel too, or Babe, or Baby. So those are my nicknames. Favorite candy. Favorite candy. Maybe gummy bears and Jolly Ranchers. Could I have two? Do I believe in ghosts? I don't believe in ghosts per se. But I do believe that there are spirits that are around us. And sometimes when I'm feeling like I really miss someone in my family, sometimes I will get a sign. Most often, the sign will be from my father. I've gotten signs from my grandmother, who's passed on my mother's side, who I was very close to and lived with for a very, very long time. I get signs from her every now and then, but out of everything else, those are the only two that I feel I have such a strong connection to, that they kind of call out to me every once in a while. So yeah, I believe in spirits. So if that's ghosts to you, then yeah. Biggest regret. Jeez, my biggest regret. That's a hard one. I will say, I think I regret the most that I didn't just go straight from high school straight into college and then straight into getting my master's and then my doctorate, because I wanted to be a doctor of something. So yeah, I think that would be my biggest regret. I know it's not too late to do so, but I'm too old, too tired. Number 18, do I like snow or rain? I like them both. I have to say, if I have to choose, I like the rain better. There's just something sexy about the rain that I love. The snow is kind of tranquil and easy and calming, but that rain sometimes, sexy. All right, next question is, any piercings? Yes, I actually have 4 piercings, but I only have 2 that are active, and all 4 are in my ears. Thought you were going to get me into saying something I wasn't supposed to be saying, huh? No. Go back to question number 11. Remember, I said I don't put any unnecessary things on my body, so I wouldn't have any unnecessary piercings either. So I only have those 4, and the 2 in the back have all closed up, so I only have 2 out of the 4. How old am I? Ugh! Clutch my pearls. Why are you asking me such personal questions? Fries or onion rings? Depends on my mood. I love a good crispy onion ring, but I also love a good crispy fry. So I'd have to say I like them both depending on my mood, one versus the other. Today's mood was fries. How many children do I have? I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. The boy came first, and then I had a girl. That's it. Favorite color? Duh. Pink, of course. Can you sing? I can hold a note. That's all you get, unless you pay me. Can you whistle? How's that? Where were you born? In the greatest city of all, Nueva York, New York City, Brooklyn, New York to be exact. That's where I was born. How many siblings do you have? 0. On my mother's side, I am the only child. However, on my father's side, I do have a younger sister. So I am the oldest on my father's side and the only child on my mother's side. Can you cook? Heck yeah! I'm not just a pretty face, I can burn in the kitchen too. That's right. Can you swim? Absolutely. Am I religious? I like to think so. I grew up Catholic, although my mother's side of the family is Baptist. So I went to Catholic church and Baptist church. Yeah, both. Shower or bath? I love a good bubble bath, and then after the bubble bath, I usually take a shower. So both. Big city or nature? I love the big city. I'm from a big city. I will always love a big city, but I live currently in the suburbs, so love that too. Off the beaten path, not so much hustle and bustle, very quiet and tranquil. That's what I love. Are you a good friend? I am absolutely a good friend. I'm that friend that you can call at 2 o'clock in the morning and say, hey, I just need you to talk to me. I'm going through whatever it is, and I will be up and listening if my phone rings, because, you know, I'm in the suburbs, so bad signal sometimes. But yes, I'm a good friend. Have I ever had a broken bone? No. As much as I have fallen as a kid, I never actually broke a bone. Amazing, right? How many TVs do I have in the home? Right now I have 2, but I'm getting a 3rd, so I will have 3 probably by the time this is uploaded. Worst pain? Oh, 94 when I had my gallbladder surgery. and I also lost a child. So I went through both at the same time. That was the worst pain. Can you dance? Yes, I can dance. Do I like camping? No. Not at all. No, I do not like camping. Am I weird? I don't like to say weird. I will say quirky. I do have my moments where I have to have things a certain way. I'm a little touch of OCD. Everything has to have its proper place. And even when I change it up on myself, I have to retrain myself to know where those things are, because my muscle memory is incredible. Like, I can memorize where I put something and always go back to that place where I put it. So yeah. And favorite hobbies, besides doing my nails right now, and of course makeup, what else do I like to do? I like to play around with different hair. This one right here we're gonna call Chardonnay. I love a good wig. This is my second or third one that I have, but especially in times like this where you don't want to do your hair, it's really hot outside, you just want a quick change, and I've always wanted to be a blonde. Now I get to see how the other side lives, and to tell you the truth, I kind of like it. You might see me color even my own hair. Not maybe this color, but something in this family. So I forgot to say in my video who I'm gonna tag for this tag. And I'm gonna tag the following people. I'm gonna tag Everybody Loves Jess, Daddy Days, Yoga with Mo, Lady C, Queen Foodie, Vicky J, and my girl Kinky Sweat. So let me see, ladies and gentlemen, what you have to bring to the table on these 40 questions. I'll be watching. Let me know if you enjoyed these 40 questions. Again, thank you to April WYD and D.O.D. The links to their channel will be down in the description box below. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, you've been bellified. Take care, and I'll see you soon.